Hello guys, my name is Rob, and I'm going to introduce DeveloperScope, which is a project that I made. But before that, I'm going to tell you why and how I made it. So during the pandemic, I was working on a social networking platform that I created, and it was basically hard to find co-founders while I was, at home. So I wanted to find them on the internet, but I couldn't. So I decided to come up with DeveloperScope 2 years later, because I was doing research to find basically. So the reason why I created DeveloperScope was that, and I'll tell you what it is. So DeveloperScope is a platform that connects developers, business associates, and marketers together so they can form a friendship and build a startup together. What you can do on there, you can post a startup idea based on games, apps, and AR and software. Find co-founders to be part of your startup and connect everyone in your startup through instant messaging. So you can connect through instant messaging. Build your startup locally or remotely, or you could do both. What I also want to do in the future is get customers so they can see your startup and see your product, and you could give them like early access, maybe discounts, maybe pro features, and free access for the first 1,000 users. I'll start the demo now. So you go on the profile, you go on manage account, you go onto your dashboard, you click manage startup, and you tap create startup. What you can do is upload an image that will get their attention. Write the title. A short description to get their attention even more. And you can add screenshots of your app or your game if you have it. Add platforms that you're using, like PC, Mac, and you could use like the game engines, the software for artists. You can tell them where you want them to be located. So if you want it to be locally or remote, you can choose how many members you want. The maximum is 5. You can tell them where you're located. So in Melbourne. And you can save it as a draft, or you could submit it and I'll review it. if people want to be co-founders to the startup, they can tap here, tap on the startup. They can show their interest, and then they have to download an NDA and make sure that they keep the secret key in a safe place. So copy. You can create a PDF right now, so that way the PDF is there. Stored safe. You hit agree, and you can join. You can join group messages. So once everyone's in, they can actually join and they can text. And that's it. Any questions?
Any questions? Do you have a question?
Any questions?
Well, I was wondering, so you want to look for startups, of course. Why do you set a limit of 5, like employees or members?
And the main part is the 5 members is mainly co-founders,
Okay.
not like employees or anything like that.
Oh, I see. Okay, thanks.
Anyone else? Do you have many iOS people signed up?
No, just
Okay.
the website.
Okay,
So the website is DeveloperScope.com.
Awesome. All right, thanks, Rob.